Welcome to this tactical explainer. We're tackling a massive base defense flaw: deadly communication delays.
Commander A highlights a harsh truth. Pilots spot targets, but lag time means infiltrators just vanish.
Look at this broken chain. Pilot to tower, BDOC, then army. You literally lose minutes of golden time.
And during that ridiculous administrative wait, the enemy easily breaches your perimeter and escapes. It's game over.
Director B reveals Beecheon strike solution. The HQI gateway completely bypasses middlemen. Just plug in those AM and FM radios.
The result? Lightning fast. A pilot speaks, and ground forces hear it in exactly 1 second.
This physical bridge unifies everything. It instantly converts AM signals broadcasting straight to Army FM tactical radios.
But Commander A raises a fair point. Won't mixing aviation frequencies with ground chatter ruin flight safety?
Director B counters with FlexGate. Tower operators can instantly toggle this air-to-ground patch on or off. Problem solved.
Operators keep absolute control. They can even broadcast emergency orders to the sky and ground using one single mic.
Commander A shifts to accountability. After joint ops, figuring out response times usually turns into messy finger-pointing.
Well, Director B has the fix. PTT-level logging. It records every push-to-talk transmission for flawless after-action reviews.
Look at this. It perfectly logs who spoke, what channel, and the exact second. Zero excuses left.
Plus, Director B notes the insane ROI. You don't need new radios, just this plug-and-play HQI integration.
Both leaders agree. Reclaiming this golden time means you proactively capture threats way before they can escape.
So ask yourself, is your base actually secure without a unified, zero-delay tactical shield? Think about it.